Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina, and today we are making chicken drumsticks. I don't show it on here, but you need to wash your meat. Okay? You can't just go cooking unwashed meat. So anyway, let's go over the seasonings. We're going to use some onion powder. I'm also going to use some hot Mexican style chili powder, some black pepper, of course, some lemon pepper, and then last but not least is garlic powder. Somehow I forgot salt, but don't be like me. Use your salt. So after you wash your chicken off, you want to make sure that you take a paper towel and pat the skin dry, because if you put the chicken right into the dish to cook with the skin wet, it won't get crispy, and also it's going to be a lot of water in the dish, and you don't need that. So once you have everybody nice and dried off and in the dish, just go ahead and start layering on your seasonings. Sometimes I do it this way. Sometimes I'll season them in a different bowl, and then I rub it and then I put it into the dish to cook. But I didn't feel like having 1,000 dishes, so I didn't do that. But once you get all of the seasonings on all of the chicken, you want to flip it over. That way you can get both sides. And I had already washed my hands before I started putting the seasoning on the first side, so I just used some tongs to flip it because I did not feel like washing my hands for a 10th time. But yeah, flip everybody over and then repeat the same seasoning steps on the other side. Okay, and once you have both sides fully seasoned, you're gonna have something that looks like this. So you're gonna just go ahead and put this into the oven. It should be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're gonna cook it for an hour, 15 minutes, but you wanna check it halfway through, and then just to make sure it's not stuck to the pan. But then this is what you get when you take it out of the oven after the full cooking time. And listen to the skin. So perfect, right? And then next you just put it on your plate. I did it with some broccoli and some mashed cauliflower, and it was fire. I added salt after it was already on my plate. But be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.